This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Christine Montilia. This second floor and unit coach home is located just around the corner from the largest community pool/spa areas in Pelican Sound and is in walking distance to all of the numerous amenities. The popular open floor plan kitchen was updated in 2021 with lovely granite countertops, stainless appliances and farmer's sink. Both the primary and guest bath have also been renovated with gorgeous granite with rectangle sinks and light-up wall mirrors. Enjoy the fabulous Florida sunsets from this western-facing tiled lanai. Pelican Sound offers an active lifestyle and is the only bundled golf community in Southwest Florida that offers access to the Gulf of Mexico. Enjoy owning your own boat or jet ski with dry storage available right inside the community. Kayak, canoe, or paddle boards are also available. Recently built Racquet Club Complex Center offers 8 pickleball and 8 tennis courts, and the community has a total of 14 pickleball courts. 27 holes of golf, bocce, beautiful clubhouse and river club for dining and social events, 6 community pools/spas and professionally staffed workout center and boat shuttle to the beach. Great shopping, restaurants and only 18 minutes from the airport. For more information, review the details below.